So you need to know that Azimio is very much united here. And we just want to reiterate again what Martha has told you, that we are acting in the best interest of the members of Azimio, and that the meeting on Wednesday at Kamukunji grounds is a peaceful public consultative meeting. It is not a demonstration. It is just a consultative meeting with the people of Kenya. And on the 12th of December, Jamhuri Day, we are going to Jacaranda Garden in Embakasi, not Kamukunji. Again, that is just going to be celebrating Jamhuri Day with Wazalendo wa Kenya. And it's also going to be a very peaceful congregation. No protests, not at all. But all that also is also guaranteed by the Constitution of Kenya. If we wanted to do a protest demonstration, we would just inform the police, provide security, and we will do it. But we are not demonstrating. We are not going to engage in any act of thuggery or hooliganism, and no property is going to be destroyed. We urge the government not to use an excuse to bring thugs there to try to disrupt this function. Thank you.